How to deactivate Facebook account. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First, open your Facebook application, then tap on this menu bar and scroll and tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings, then tap on personal details, then tap on password and security. Go back and tap on personal details. Here you can see account ownership and control. Just tap on it and tap on deactivation or deletion. Select which account you want to deactivate or permanently delete. For Facebook, tap on this Facebook icon. Then if you want to deactivate your account, choose the first option. Deactivating your account is temporary, but if you want to delete it permanently, tap on this second account option, which is delete account. For this video, I will just deactivate it and tap on continue. In order to proceed, you have to enter your password and tap on continue, and your account will be deactivated. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.